All those building. Okay. I'm gonna look at that building and this building. I'm gonna be... It takes a long time. Okay. This is senior living, Trailside, 651-578-2380. That's what we're going. That should be safe. We're gonna go to this building, this hotel. There's some street lights over there. Some are not running. They're buzzing. All right. It's a 2010. It's a Carrier. The Goodman. And there's the Emerson Copeland Scroll. This one is from 2018. It's a 2-ton. 2.5-ton. Maybe? And there's some flags over there. And color lights. And look at those decks. The Hotel House. We're gonna look at those at the Hotel House. All those Hotel House. And there's Daikin's over there. We're gonna go look at them. Well, I don't know. I can't. I don't know how to go. Take a shortcut. I gotta go all the way around. All right. There's 5 Goodmans and a Carrier. Okay. It's kind of hot outside. There's the rotary compressor. (2019). It's a 2-ton. 2021. There's dual zone Goodman. It's a Copeland Scroll compressor. And our Copeland Scroll compressor and our Goodman. That's another 2021. That's a 2-ton again. A Goodman. It has a Copeland Scroll. 2018. It's a 5-ton. 5-ton. This is a 5-ton Goodman. There's another 2010 Carrier here. And there's another Goodman. Copeland Scroll compressor. Yeah, it's a straight coil. This is not going to run today because this is not till What's more? There's Broad Ocean. There's the Broad Ocean motor. There's the Goodman. I'm not sure what kind of motor it is. There's a reversing valve. It's kind of rusty. It's a July of 2012 Goodman. Yeah. Yep. Look at that pad. It's a little crack. Chipped. That one is a 4-ton. That's a 4-ton Goodman. That one's a 2-ton, 5-ton. It's got a little dent. This one's at. Our Broad Ocean motor. That one's a 5-ton. And this one's a 4-ton Goodman. Wow, I love this Goodman. Oh, look at that. What's this stuff? I'm gonna go look at these air pictures. There's a Carrier, 2010. There's a Coleman scroll compressor also. Another Carrier, 2011. This one's a 3-ton, now it's a 2-ton. Nope. They both are not running. Oh, yeah. Gas mirrors? Oh, we're gonna look at another. Got a full place. And now we're gonna look at another building. So watch out the cars. You don't want again to crash these cars. Okay. Yeah, stay on the sidewalk and what? Get into a car accident. Okay. Now we're gonna look at this building. There's a street light. No parking. There's no parking. Scroll. And another Copeland Scroll sound blanket. There's a Chelsea 16. Another Chelsea 16 is a 5-ton. There's a DX 16. 16 series. Okay. Another one? Yeah, it's a Copeland Scroll. Another Chelsea 16. Again. Whoa, look at that. Look at that pad. And another Chelsea 16. It's a 3.5-ton. Daikin? Yeah, this motor cap decal is not just 60. What? Okay. Well, like another one. Okay. None of those are running all the way around. The Emerson Copeland Scroll. Whoa, look at that. Here's a Broad Ocean. Reversing valve. GL's 11. It's a 5-ton. Goodman. And there's this Goodman. Copeland Scroll compressor also. GL's 11. It's a 2.5-ton. 3 blades. Okay, I got that good. Copeland Scroll. GL's 11. It's a 2.5-ton. There's another Goodman. This one has 4 blades. Copeland Scroll. 13 Sear. It's from GL's 11 also. Before of GL's 11 Goodman's. Okay. There are 4 Goodmans. That Goodman, that Goodman, that Goodman, and that Goodman. Alright. Thank you for watching.